Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SurveyMonkey routing for targeted survey follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate SurveyMonkey routing for targeted survey follow-ups, start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the survey you wish to modify. Click on the Edit button to enter the survey editing mode. On the left panel, look for the Logic tab. Click on Logic to expand the options available for your survey. Select the Skip Logic option to set up routing for your questions. Choose the question from which you want to route respondents based on their answers. Next, click on the Add Logic button adjacent to that question. In the pop-up menu, you will see options to set conditions for your routing. Decide which answer choices should lead to a specific follow-up question. For each answer option, specify the follow-up question respondents should see next. If you want to route to multiple follow-up questions based on an answer, repeat the previous step for each option. After you've set up all necessary conditions, review your logic for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply your changes. Now, navigate to the Preview and Test section to check how your survey routes are working. Take the survey yourself to ensure respondents experience the routing as intended. If necessary, return to the Logic tab to make adjustments based on your testing. Finally, when everything looks good, proceed to distribute your survey to your targeted audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.